Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today we're gonna make some 7-Up biscuits. You can also use them as dinner rolls if you'd like, and this one's for you, Seth. You asked me to make some rolls or biscuits, and this is the easiest recipe ever. Set your oven to 425 degrees and get 1 stick of butter and put it into a casserole dish, just like that. Gonna pop this in the oven until this butter is good and melted and this pan is good and hot. Okay, you're gonna start off with Bisquick baking mix. You're gonna do 4.5 cups of that into a bowl. 1 cup of 7-Up. 7-Up. 1 cup of sour cream. 1 cup sour cream. And 1/2 cup of melted butter. All right, I'm gonna give this a good mix. And you're just gonna kind of form it into a good lumpy ball. Mixed up pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dust my countertop with a little bit of this Bisquick, kind of like you do flour when you're making biscuits. We're just gonna do our Bisquick. Plop this right out onto our Bisquick. Pan is good and hot, so that's gonna give a good crust on the bottom of our biscuits slash rolls. All right, let me find my biscuit cutter. Make a little ball here, kind of dust your mixture. So dust your mixture up with your Bisquick so that you can handle it. So put a little bit of your Bisquick on there and make it into a little ball. Form it into a little ball and get it dusted all over. And you're just making it where you can handle it. And now you're just gonna take it and just gonna mash it out where it's about 1 inch thick. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take my biscuit cutter and I'm just gonna start making little biscuits and drop them right into my pan. So if you have a little bit of dough left, you could do another pan of them. If you want to make them a little thicker, you could probably use all the dough. So I'll just make another little pan of them in just a minute, but I'm going to throw these in the oven. These are going to go into the oven at 425 for 10 to 12 minutes. How easy is that? Okay, 12 minutes. Just long enough for you to get your mess cleaned up and get some butter and jelly out. Oh my goodness. These look so good and they are gonna be delicious. You're gonna love them. And with what I had left over, I just made a big glob of it. Just a big glob of 7-Up bread. That's what that is. I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter and just kind of go over the top. Mo butter, mo better. Yeah, crispy on the bottom. Crispy on the bottom, light and fluffy. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. All right, let me open our cracker open. Put a little butter in there. And my favorite kind of jelly is plum jelly. Love plum jelly, so that's what we're doing. Give it a little, oh, that's a little too much. Let's get back. Calm down. It's a little too much jelly there. All right, put it back together. Oh my. Look how beautiful that looks. So airy and light. Y'all, that's delicious. That is so moist and so dreamy and so, oh my gosh. I can't even tell you. I'm pretty sure that's probably the best biscuit I've ever had. Holy moly, that is delicious. That crispy butter bottom. Oh. I'm telling you, go make these. Go make these. You're going to love them.
Tell me this ain't the best biscuit you ever had in your whole life.
Well, let me see. Oh my God. Delicious.